Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Photoshop beta version. So the process is really simple and easy. First thing first, you are going to launch the Creative Cloud desktop application first, and you have to have the Adobe subscription. If you don't have the Adobe subscription, there is no way you can access the Photoshop beta. So I'm assuming that if you are watching this video, you already have the subscription. So launch the Creative Cloud desktop app, and then you want to go to the apps tab right here. You want to click on that, and here when you scroll down you will be able to find Photoshop beta. But you are going to find that there is going to be a giant banner right in the middle that says get Photoshop beta. Once you click on this button, it's going to take you on this page where you can start downloading the Photoshop beta version, and then it's going to be download in your desktop. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.